Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is hamdden, which means leisure. Hamdden, as in Canolfan Hamdden, leisure centre. Hamdden, leisure.